It is still just about morning. This is what 14 hours of sleep looks like. Very, very greasy hair that needs some dry shampoo or a wash. So I am doing Vlogmas, but obviously I'm like combining some days. Today is, what even is the date? The 3rd. When I work night shifts, it kind of like messes me up because I work over 2 dates and I get really lost. So today is Tuesday, the 3rd. It is Tuesday, isn't it? 3rd of December. I was booked for body pump this morning at the gym, but I cancelled it late last night because I thought there's no way. There is no way I'm going to make it for 10:30. Is there, Charlie? So I don't know what I'm going to do today. I think I'm going to pop to a few shops. I'm going to have a look in HomeSense, which is, if you've heard of TK Maxx, if you're in the UK, you'll know what TK Maxx is. In America, it's called TJ Maxx. Well, we have HomeSense over here, which is like the home bit of TK Maxx in a separate shop. And I love HomeSense. So I might pop over there and I might go into the range and I might go to Poundland because I want to make some Christmas crafts and I want to make some videos with Poundland stuff, or it's like Dollar Tree, but not as good. There's a shock. So I think that's going to be my plan for today. But first things first, I need a cup of tea. I really do. And to wake up. But if you can see outside, it is beautiful. I'm not opening the door because it's freezing. It was like this yesterday when I was driving home. There was a beautiful sunrise. I really need to sort my back garden out because it's still got loads of rubbish in it from the builders. Good morning, Charlie. Say hello to your fans. Oh, like that, is it? Like that. Silly cat. Oh, my hair is terrible. I so need it cut. So I feel a bit more awake now. I'm dressed. I got Marie back on. I have got some tracksuit bottoms. I'm just going to have a really lazy day today. So plan is, I'm going to wait in. I got a parcel being delivered between now and 1:15 in an hour. I'm going to edit yesterday's or my Vlogmas days 1 and 2 because I'm combining it video. And then I'm going to nip out and get some Christmas craft stuff because I'm going to do some makes. And then I booked yoga for 7:30 tonight at the gym because I didn't go to my class that I booked at 10:30 because I didn't wake up, but I did cancel it last night because I thought there's no way I'm going to wake up. So let's get going. I'm just like still feeling a bit like I could sleep, but I'm not going to because I won't sleep tonight. So let's get on and start editing and doing what I need to do. Such a donut. I got my delivery time wrong. I thought it was between 12:15 and 1:15 and it's 2:40 and 3:40. So I am going to shift my arse to the shops just to have a look in HomeSense. I'm going to go in the range and I need to go in B&M as well. So I'm going to do it now because if I sit on that sofa any longer, I'm not going to move. So I just edited my video and just saving that. So when that's saved, I can start uploading it to YouTube and I'm going to go out. And then by the time I come back, it should be uploaded and then you can all watch it. Yeah, I'm just going to chuck some shoes on and get in my car and go shop. So this building here is new and it's like flats / apartments. Oh, a penthouse, 1 and 2 bedroom waterside apartments. Cracks me up. Waterside apartments, it's a stinky lake that like has got so many trolleys in it, it's unbelievable. And this building is just awful. I think it looks like IKEA have built it. I don't know why people want to spend their money on this. And it's the Copper building and they're trying to all be like dead posh with their waterside apartment bullshit. Excuse my French. But honestly, it's ridiculous. Rant over. So if you're not familiar with HomeSense, sorry it's really loud in here, HomeSense is like the home version of TK Maxx, and it's all home stuff, there's no clothing, and it's one of my fave shops. So let's go and have a little mooch and see what we can find. Christmas cushion, but nothing's like calling out to me. But I don't want to pay too much money for it because it's not going to be out for long, is it? And they got some nice throws, but I'll have a look in B&M. I'm in the mug section. Someone's just dropped something because I really want a Ray Dunn mug, but we can't get them over here. This is Emma Bridgewater. How much is that? I don't really like it though. $12.99 for a mug. But if they had Ray Dunn, so like I said, we don't get Ray Dunn in the UK, and sometimes you can get it in TK Maxx or HomeSense, but I'm not spotting any. Oh my god, guys. I lied. That is Ray Dunn. I'm sure that is Ray Dunn. Oh, it's not. But Ray Dunn do stuff like that as well. I got all excited then. Because they got... I'm not tall enough, sorry, I'm a complete midget. Oh, they got a selfie one under there. Let me see if that's... I don't think they are though. Absolutely heartbroken. They're not Ray Dunn. It's just literally impossible to get it over here, and you can pay like 30 quid on Amazon, but that's ridiculous because like the mugs are like $4.99. So I'm now in the basket aisle. I have no need of a basket, but I think I'm going to sack this off and go to the range. I might go to B&M first, B&M then the range. It is such a nice day today. The sun is shining. It's not cold, but it's probably going to be cold later when I go to the gym, which is over there. But let's tackle B&M. Not my fave shop, but needs must. I want to get some crafty Christmas stuff to do, like a wreath or something. I cannot come into B&M without buying hobnobs. I need some biscuits because I'm supposed to be healthy eating, but I think I'm going to sack it off for today. I don't know what to get. Oh, I'll have to get some digestives because they get eaten. Oh, a finger over the lens. I might have to get some of these because they're £1 and they're really nice. They do have Walker's Sprout flavour. Nice. Oh, Chloe's busy. If you want any Reese's, B&M have got loads. £1. I can't eat Reese's the peanut butter ones because obviously I have a nut allergy, but sometimes they have like the coconut ones, like the Bounties, that are really nice, the cups. Well, nowhere had what I needed, so that means I'm gonna have to go to Poundland tomorrow. Some visors in the way. So now I need to rush back home because my parcel should be here in a minute. So disappointed, only because I wanted to make you a video on some Christmas crafts, but it's okay because I'll have to do it tomorrow instead. Sorry about that. This drives me absolutely bonkers. DPD. So fair enough, leave my big parcel in the black bin, but when the card is hanging out of my letterbox telling the whole world where my parcel is, I don't live in the best area. As Hermes found out the other day when they said they left my parcel in my greenhouse and I don't even own a greenhouse. So, rant over. So I bought some goodies from Victoria's Secret Pink in their sale. Some of it I'm not going to be able to show you because it is Christmas present. But, for example, I got this. It is a little jacket. Does it do when I go to the gym? Let me see. I'm not going to be able to open it one-handed. Let me get it out. I don't know why this isn't focusing. There we go. So it's just this little like aubergine colour, and it just do to chuck on. Like if I go to spin at 6:30 in the morning because I don't want to take my big coat, and it's really handy because it's packable, and it's not too like, I don't like the pink stuff where it's got like pink plastered all over it, and this hasn't. So it's all good, apart from this little bit at the top, but that's fine, that's acceptable. So I also got my little haul that I'm doing on the floor in the haul. So I got this. I didn't think it was this big, but this was super cheap, and I thought, oh, it'll go in my gym bag because it's really good for the shower because it's got this. So it means I can hang it up in the gym and put my stuff in it, like when I have a shower. And this is quite good to put your jewellery in. But it's bloody massive. It is like... So I don't know how that's going to fit in my bag. But it will do because I will make it. So that's the jacket squidged up because it goes in the case. And I also got some Soft and Dreamy. I love Victoria's Secret like body sprays and mists and stuff, but they're really expensive. But this is a £5. So I can chuck that in my gym bag. Because I bought loads when I was away on holiday in the outlet in Orlando. It's amazing, the Victoria's Secret outlet. So I got some of this, and I got a body lotion. These can both go in my gym bag. So after I've had a shower, I can smell all soft and dreamy. See what I did there? So that's my haul. Let me show you what I got when I was out shopping. So I got this in B&M. It's just a little wreath with some little lights and a thing that says Merry Christmas. I might hang this in my window because it's battery actually, so I might put that in my front room window so it looks all nice and cute and Christmassy. I've decided to go like proper Christmas decorations this year, and I don't normally do it, but I really want to do it and make it look nice. I think because like obviously I've had loads of building work and it's all like nicely decorated apart from the front room. I've got some blankets. I got some hobnobs, and I got this ribbon because I'm going to make a wreath, so I thought that was only £1, and some, oh my god, it's because it's behind me, Dreamies for the cat because he's running out, and some chocolate digestive. So if you're in the US and you don't know what B&M is, it stands for bargains and more, and it's a bit like, it's not like Dollar Tree because it's not $1 or £1, but it's quite cheap. So all these are like name brands. These are like £1 or something, like 150. These are 150, and they're normally about £3 in a supermarket. So it's a really good place to go if you're on a budget and you want to get some treats and stuff. Like I've seen these in the garden centre, these Mackey's ones for like £3.50, and they were £1. The Dream is, this is the big bag. This was £2.50. I can't remember how much they are in Tesco's, but I needed to get some, so I just grabbed some there. I didn't get any craft stuff, and it's really annoying, but it just means I'll have to go to Poundland tomorrow and get what I need to get, and then I can make the video. So this is my gym bag, and I got this really cheap as well. I never buy anything full price. Like I literally go for deals and sales, and it saves so much money. Like this is like originally £30, and I think I got it for like £12 in a sale, and because I belong to the gym, I got it from DW, so it was in the sale, and I also got money off. My hands look really dirty, but they're not. They're actually like really clean, but the light's making them look really dirty. So that's that. Hopefully all this will fit in my bag. So I have my jersey, and I got some gym stuff in here, and I put my trainers in a bag. So I'm gonna have to empty all the stuffing out of this. It should be all right, hopefully. Well, my video is up. My house is still a mess. I haven't cleared that up. It's making me laugh with this Apple Watch. So I obviously get like notifications on it if I'm not on my phone. And literally my watch, Julie Ashworth, if you're watching this, it cracks me up. So Julie is like my best friend ever. She's like the love of my life. But so we met through crochet on Crochet Beginners Group, and we just hit it off straight away, and now we're like completely inseparable. We don't even live near each other. We live like hundreds of miles apart. But oh Charlie, stop being a drama queen. But we chat constantly. So literally my Apple Watch is like bing, 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 like every 2 minutes. I might have to put it on silent. Because it's Julie messaging me. Love you, Juju. Anyway, I need to have another cup of tea. So every day at this time, my pussycat comes and harasses me because he gets fed at Charlie, we don't see bum at like about 5:20, 5:15, and it is, oh, get off me table. Currently at 4:20, so he always comes and like harasses me for the next hour for food. But he's so cute, aren't you? And if you go like this, he like, look, he does this and he practically turns himself upside down. You like a good scratchy, don't you? You do. Oh, Mr. Charlie, you're so cute. So Charlie's a rescue cat, so he is like a really, really nervous cat, and he's not a lap cat at all. But we love you. We do. But we don't want to see your bum. Yeah, turn it round, mate. Oh, look at him. So guys, it is 7:10. It's freezing. And I'm off to the gym. I'm like randomly walking across the car park. So I got yoga booked. And I was like, oh, I don't know whether to go, but I forced myself to go because I didn't go to body pump this morning because I was fast asleep. But I do have my new jacket on. I'm probably going to get run over in this car park. So yes, let's do this. It's a bit parky. Yoga is done. That was tough. But I do love my yoga. I don't even know where I've parked my car. I'm going to have to climb through the bush because it's over there. That's a bit of an exaggeration. They're only little. So I am now going to go home. I'm going to have something to eat. Then I'm going to get in the shower. No, I'm going to get in the shower, get my pyjamas on, then have something to eat. And then get into bed. And I will see you all when I am back home. Shower is done, hair is washed, and I'm gonna have some noodles because I'm really lazy. But these ones, oh, I've opened the packet upside down. The saturated fat is only 1.5 grams, which is really good for noodles because they're normally really, really high. So I'm gonna eat them. Oh, the cat's down there, you can't see him. And then I'm gonna have a cup of tea, and then I'm gonna get into bed. It is now 20 to 10. I am in bed. Yes, I got wet hair. I don't actually care about going to bed with wet hair. I've got Bambi on. And I got clean sheets, which is the best thing ever. So I'm going to read my book for a bit, and then I'm going to go to sleep. And tomorrow is a new day. Like I said, I'm hoping to get to Poundland to get some craft stuff. Then I can make you a video with some like half decent content rather than me. That's it. Have a lovely night. Big hugs to whoever needs a hug, and I will speak to you all tomorrow. Bye.